Hey you guys, welcome back to Playing with Barney. It's not a series, it's just the second one I've recorded, but we're gonna be playing with Barney. That's Barney. Hey Barney, can you speak? Shh, shh. Okay. I didn't say give a speech, I said speak. Sit. Or lay down, whatever. Roll. Catch it. What are you doing, buddy? Hey, do you want this one? Go get it. Oops. It bounced and it confused him. It's under the table. Let's watch what he does. Oh, he's so confused. It's right there. Under the table. Under the chair. Hey, dude. Hey, where are you going? Hey, buddy. No, it's over here. There you go. Good job. Hey, Barney. Hey, Barney. Can I have it? Pass it over. Thank you. Sorry. Shh. I'm just talking to our viewers here. I wanted to say sorry. I kind of burped a little bit. But you are a big mouth. You have a big mouth. And you use it. Roll. She's so annoying sometimes. Well, that was a silly little throw. Hey, buddy. Can I have it? Come on. Thanks. Do you want it? Do you want it? I'm gonna throw it into the darkness again. Oh, I missed the darkness. Hey, Barney, look, I got another. Go get it. Oh, that one got him. Hey, Barney, look, I got another one. Can you catch this one, please? Oh, no, that was my bad throw. Can I have it? Do you want me to throw it for you? Come here. Come on. Bring it over here. Come on, bring it over. Come on, pass it over. Come on, pass it over. Hey, pass it over here. Do I look like I'm over there? Pass it over here. Alright. What's the matter, dude? Is it too much for you? Too much stimulation? No, now he's playing pool. Silly dog. Come on, pass it over. Come on, pass it over. Barney. Barney. What are you doing? What are you doing, bud? Hey. Thanks. It's about time. Now get that one. Get that one. Bring that over here. Thank you. Thank you. You see that one? Go get it. Come on, pass it over. Come on, pass it over. Get that ball. And pass it here. Thank you. You see that one over there? You see that one over there in your bed? Bring that one over here too. Come on. Come on. Come on. Nope, he wants to play keep away. Hey, get that. Thanks, how do you do? Thanks. Alright. We're gonna reset. Alright. Don't ask me how, but I got him to sit. Alright, ready? Catch. Well, that was a bust. Do you want to try again? We'll try that again. Alright, we got him to sit over there again. We're going to throw it. You're going to catch it, right? Right? You're going to catch it. Speak if you're going to catch it. Yo. Dude. Do you want to catch it or no? Do you want your ball? Here it is. Speak. Good boy. Ready? Stop. You don't need to speak that much. You're such a turd. Look at that hair. Ready? Catch it. Barney, are you camera shy? You show all these people that you know how to catch. Alright, let's try again. Catch it. Whoops, that was a bad throw. Stop right there. Hey, stop. I got another one. We're gonna try again. Catch. Alright, hey Barn. Barney boy. Come on, drop it. I got another one. Catch. Whoa, he caught that one on the fly. Now he's gonna sit over there on his blanket. And I'm gonna throw one toward the darkness. Get the ball. Get that ball. Get it. Oh, now he's confused. Come on, bring him back. Bring them all back. I think he's tired. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to subscribe for more.